Welcome back to the channel. Today I am going to be doing a little gift DIY for friends, family, neighbors, something super duper easy. This is honestly, I really can't qualify this as a DIY. Anybody can do this. Truly, you can do this with your children if you have them. I have modified this recipe to be dairy-free, and you could also do gluten-free. Actually, this recipe is vegan, I'm pretty sure. Now I'm questioning everything. Anyway, I have a family member who has a very sensitive tummy, and so I have to make sure that this recipe will not disturb her internals. This recipe is very easy. It is no bake, and anyone really can do this. You really can't mess it up. It would take an intentional effort to mess this up. I got some cute little boxes just from the craft store, and I'm going to put all of the finished cookies in them, tie them up with this cute ribbon, and then gift them to all of those who we plan to gift them to. Also, if you are a last minute gifter like myself, then this is perfect because it's going to take you a few hours, maybe, from start to finish, from buying everything you'll need if you have to go to the store to delivery. Speaking of gifting, this video is kindly sponsored by Ana Luisa Jewelry. Ana Luisa offers unmatched quality with all of their jewelry pieces. Their pieces are long-lasting, hypoallergenic, water-resistant, and sustainable. You can elevate your style without breaking the bank with their designs starting at just $39. And the more you buy, the more you save, which we love. Ana Luisa offers free and fast shipping within the US, and for everywhere else they offer crazy fast shipping. I know that the holidays are truly around the corner, but you still have time to hopefully order your pieces and get them in time for the holiday. Ana Luisa also offers a worry-free guarantee with a 2-year warranty on all of their pieces, so you can wear them with confidence, knowing that if anything happens to them, that you can reach out and Ana Luisa will help you solve the problem. Ana Luisa is also offering a major holiday sale right now, so you can get the perfect gift for all of the jewelry lovers in your life. I am personally all about quality over quantity, especially when it comes to my jewelry. I keep it simple, but I like high quality pieces, and Ana Luisa offers just that. Plus, look at this packaging. It's adorable, and you could literally just stick it in someone's stocking or on the tree or under the tree or however you like to gift things. You could add a little bow or wrap it, but these are honestly good to go as is because they're so beautiful. I personally went with some sterling silver pieces to go on my ears. I have very sensitive ears, so I like to stick with silver and gold pieces myself. So I did a sterling silver ear stack, and I love them. For years, I've been pretty much a strictly gold girl, but I know that silver is making a major comeback, not just in jewelry, but like in the antiques world. I've been seeing it, and I am so happy about it. So I had to get on board and get myself some beautiful sterling silver jewelry pieces that I can wear forever. These are so timeless, so classic. They are lightweight, they feel good, and I've already worn them, so I know that my ears didn't have a reaction, which is huge for me. I've had many earrings in the past that have said that they are not irritating, and yet they end up being irritating on me personally. It's amazing to have these gorgeous little huggy hoops that I can wear truly every day. I could probably sleep in them if I wanted to. I highly recommend Ana Luisa. I love their jewelry. They have such a great variety, highly fashionable, stylish, timeless, all of the favorite things. First up, we are going to make no-bake cookies. These require 0 baking and take minutes, truly. In a bowl, mix 3 cups of oats with half a cup of coconut and 3 tablespoons of cocoa powder. On the stove over medium heat, combine 2 cups of sugar with half a cup of butter, half a cup of milk, and 1 tablespoon of vanilla. Slowly bring these to a boil, stirring constantly. So all of my dry ingredients are in here. I mixed them well, and now we're going to add the wet ingredients that I have just boiled on the stove. Once your ingredients have reached the boiling point, let them cool slightly, then add to your dry mixture. Mix until well combined. Then, using a sheet of parchment or wax paper, scoop out your mixture and let it cool. So for this recipe, they are done. That took me minutes, truly. The thing that takes the longest is boiling the wet ingredients. So now I'm going to make 1, maybe 2 other cookie recipes to go in the box. And I've actually made both of these cookies on my channel already, so I'll put the links either up in the card area or down in the description box below, or both. And you guys can go check out those recipes, but I'll do a little montage of making them just for funsies. So yeah, let's make 2 more kinds of cookies. Maybe only 1, we'll see how motivated I feel, because it's getting dark. ended up only doing 2 of the cookie recipes just because they both had like a cocoa chocolate flavor to them. I felt like the third cookie, which are the jam cookies with the little hearts, while they are the cutest by far, they just were going to throw off the vibe of the flavor profile that I was doing. But I can't wait to box up the rest of the cookies and get them looking all adorable and cute, and they truly make the most simple, perfect, delicious gift that you can give to anybody. And like I said, I actually made both of these recipes dairy-free, and then the no-bake cookies are vegan completely. Of course, you can always swap out your own cookie recipes. You don't have to make mine. These are just really easy and simple and fast, and people love them. Be sure to check out Ana Luisa. They offer beautiful pieces like these that make the perfect gift that lasts forever. I have a link down in my description box. There's still time to get an amazing gift this season. Thank you everybody so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. I know I think I said that I was going to share decorating for Christmas, and guess what? We haven't decorated for Christmas. Not enough time in the day to do as much as I want to do. So our tree is up, undecorated. There are lights on it though, not a single ornament. Be sure to stay tuned for future videos. I promise they are coming. Let me know if you decide to do a cookie box. I mean, I know I'm making a whole video about it and it's literally not an original idea at all, but it's just kind of a little reminder of, hey, this is a good way to do a gift for your friends and families without trying too hard. If you're like me and there just aren't enough hours in the day, I don't even have kids, you guys. I don't know how you guys do it. How do you do it? Well, be sure to check out Ana Luisa, check out my antique shop if you're looking for some home decor, the gift of homemade cookies in a cute box with cute ribbon, and you're set for the holidays. I hope you have a wonderful season. I will see you guys very soon, I promise.